Meaning of flection.
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 Flection. Flection is a term that refers to the act of bending or flexing. It can be used in several contexts, such as in anatomy to describe the bending of a joint, or in linguistics to refer to the inflection of words to indicate grammatical categories like tense, case, and gender. The result of flection depends on the context in which it is used. For example, in anatomy, flection allows for movement and flexibility in the body, while in linguistics, it helps to convey meaning and clarify sentence structure.